Okay, so I think that's all from my side. If you have any question, please kindly raise your hand and ask any doubt. And if you feel like you wanted to ask, not comfortable now, you can just the chat. We will revert it to back.
Thank you, Chalok. Thank you for the valuable session which we had taken. So, if you have any questions, guys, feel free to ask. We would really appreciate अगर आप लोग क्वेश्चन पूछोगे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पूछोगे. We have an expert team who can answer everything. आप यहाँ पे पूछ सकते हो, or even after this session you can join our Discord community by scanning this QR code. आप ये भी यहाँ पे भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. And we, as I mentioned, we have an expert team who will answer all your questions. I'm freezing this screen for a few minutes, for a couple of minutes, just to everybody to scan the QR code and join our Discord community.
So I'm thinking, seeing that Satish and Aryan just posted some question. Uh, I will just
Okay.
quickly go through. So first of all, Aryan asked for, can you suggest a good roadmap to master Python? So for it
Mhm.
that use बस आपको ऐसा समझना है कि जैसे आप हर लैंग्वेज करते हैं पाइथन बेसिक्स कि पाइथन कैसे वर्क करता है. Then you master the it's all the data structures, data types which I have told. Then you go to conditional statement, for loop, functions, class and object, and then build a project. That is a, I can say, will be a good thing to get to know how Python work and what's the tool. But I think the real projects or real world scenarios are very much relevant for learning. That's all from my side, Vivek.
Yeah, thanks again, Jalok. I guess, Arif, you have your answers, or if you have any other doubt, you can please type it. Once again, I would like to say, you can join our Discord community by scanning this QR code. We have our experts who will answer all your questions, right? Moving on to the next slide. Why tap? Why we have built tap, or why someone would like to go with tap, right? So, because what we are providing real work experience, which I told you guys earlier at the beginning of the introduction. हम लोग आपको क्या रियल वर्क एक्सपीरियंस दे रहे हैं, जहाँ पे we are getting you to work in real लाइव प्रोजेक्ट्स. जो हमारी टीम बैकएंड में जो टीम कर रही है, प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम कर रही है, उनके साथ काम करने का आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा, राइट. और आपको सिमिलरली आपको प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग मिलेगी. यू गेट टू वर्क, और यू गेट टू लर्न एंड एक्सपीरियंस प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग. यहाँ पे आप लाइव प्रोजेक्ट पे काम कर रहे होगे, लाइव जो प्रोजेक्ट हम कर रहे होंगे, जो हमारी टीम एक्सपर्ट्स कर रहे होंगे, उन पे आपको काम करने का मौका मिलेगा. तो टैप वो आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है, राइट. इसके अलावा आपको लाइव सेशंस एंड मेंटरशिप भी मिलती है, जिसमें लाइव सेशंस का मतलब वन ऑन वन आप हमारे मेंटर्स के साथ भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. एंड यू कैन आस्क योर वट एवर क्वेश्चन यू मे हैव अबाउट टेक्नोलॉजी, अबाउट वट एवर you have questions, you can ask them, and they'll help you, they'll guide you with your answers, as well as your they'll mentor you as well with your career. Apart from it, we also help you with job ready portfolios. I mean, once you are already on these work real life projects, you can add them in your portfolio, that you have worked on these live projects. तो वो सब भी आपको टैग के थ्रू मिलता है. Career guidance, I already mentioned that you can get career guidance from our experts. Placement assistance, that is also which I have told you at the beginning, that we have hiring partners where will help you to get placed in those companies, those big names, right? So this is the reason. This is the advantages for someone to join in with TAP. Next one is thank you. Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for joining, everybody. That's it for now for today. And as you guys can see, there are social bits are mentioned in the at the end of the page. You guys can follow our social media pages to get updated about new technologies, about new webinars which are coming in. So you can please follow our pages on Instagram, on LinkedIn, as well as on other social media pages. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining the webinar.